Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I just wanted to show y'all really quickly another option for a wrap is a seaweed or a nori sheet. This is a nori sheet. So I'm going to take my vegetables and spread them out in my wrap. Um, okay, that's enough. Okay, and I kind of put it on the edge so I can roll it. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt because for me the nori sheet just needs a little bit of salt. So hold on a second. While I was at it, I decided to grab the cayenne too. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt on it and a little cayenne. Now this was actually a separate salad. It's not necessarily the kale salad. This was an avocado. It's supposed to be avocado, carrot, and kale, but I end up adding cucumbers and tomatoes. So there you go. Okay. So now, I don't know if you've ever made sushi before. It's kind of similar to rolling up a piece of sushi. But we're going to take it and just roll it. And it doesn't have any rice like sushi, but that's okay. You can still even cut it like sushi. Now, one thing that you can do with the nori sheets that's different from a flour or a spinach wrap is you can wet this little edge right here. So I'm actually going to do that. I just put a little water on my finger and kind of seal it closed. Ta-da! And if you like, you can cut it like sushi. Let's see. I have a clean knife. Hold on, let me grab a plate. Okay, so I did grab a plate. And so like I said, you can cut these into little round pieces like sushi. So I'm just going to cut one just so you can see. And it's probably going to fall apart because it doesn't have any rice or anything to hold it together. And it's kind of loose. The middle is kind of not loose, but the rest of it is pretty loose. And I have some soy sauce. So I was going to dip it, but I think it's going to fall apart. So I'm just going to spray it. Yes. Yeah, it's falling apart on me, but it's good. Mmm. I almost feel like I'm eating spicy tuna or a spicy salmon roll. So I'm just going to cut up the rest of the pieces and eat them like that. Mm-hmm. That was good, y'all. I wasn't even expecting this video to be this long. So, there you go. I wish I had some wasabi. Oh, this is my first time making sushi. So I'm going to spray these. And enjoy them. Hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.